Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through a detailed breakdown of how to create a shake with ghost effect transition in CapCut using a desktop. So let's dive right in. First, open up your CapCut and add the video clip you're going to use. Here I've already placed the video clip we're going to use as an example for today's tutorial. I have already divided it into two separate video clips, and I have also reduced the speed of the second video clip to 0.3 seconds. Once you have placed your video clip, we can now proceed to the next step. This involves duplicating the second video clip and placing it on top of the original one. First, click on the duplicated video. Afterwards, move to the video section located on the upper right side of the screen. Add a position and size keyframe at the beginning and end of the duplicated video clip. Following this, raise the scale of the end keyframe to 170% and decrease the opacity from 100% to 75%. Next, go to the animation section and click on Out. Locate the fade out and add it. Then increase the duration to 1.4 seconds. Next, go to the Effects section and select Nightclub. Then locate the rebound swing and add it. After adding the rebound swing effect, decrease it to match as closely as possible to the second video clip. The amount you decrease it by is up to you. Then, decrease both the speed and size to 0. Finally, increase the strength to 8. Next, return to the Effects section and select Opening and Closing. Then locate and add the Halo Blur effect. Similar to the rebound swing effect, it's up to you how much you decrease it as well. Increase the strength to 100 and the speed to 50. Next, go back to the Effects section and select Lens. Then, locate and add the Soft effect. This time, decrease it to the same level as the video clip. It should look like this afterward. Lastly, click the first video clip. Then go to the Adjustment section. Scroll down and you will find Saturation. Decrease it to -25 and set Brightness to -10. Finally, increase the contrast to 10. And here's the final result. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.